Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I'm just gonna do a quick review on my newly installed AJT Design vent ring. It comes with a different color variation. I got this one in tan because my my Jeep is 2016 75th anniversary edition, so they come with those bronzo color scheme. So I think tan is pretty close. It's close enough for the to match up with my interior color scheme. That's why I got this color. I'm pretty happy with it, and with this matte finish, it looks very good. Unlike those you see other product, they have those glossy looking. I don't really like it. And it made in US, AJT Design. So for the installation, it's fairly easy. So all you need to do is, so basically, as you can see, there's a little hole over there, or gap. So basically you just turn, just keep turning. Alright, so once you got this angle, you can see there's a little gap or hole in there. So all you need to do is you press this down. You get a small flathead screwdriver. You just stick the screwdriver into the hole. So you just push up. So all you need to do is push up. So as you walk with your screwdriver, you want to turn this vent ring. So so just walk with it, turn. Eventually it will pop off. So once you get the stock vent ring off, just take the original ring off. Just clip. So you just take off, put this one on. Is just plug and play. For those screws, they're just for decoration purpose. So you want to put this one on before the installation. So yeah, so it's fairly easy installation. I'll say max 15 minutes to get this installed. I'm pretty happy with the result. As I mentioned earlier, they come with different color variations, so you can just get a whatever the match to your Jeep. Also, I got those from AJT Design. I got their climate control knob. So just like the ring, they come up with different color variation. I got this one specific in black because I did a little comparison with I want to get a tan initially, but I think for this knob, I think black is better. So they come with different design language. Looks pretty beefy, tactical. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. So installation even easier, so you don't really need any tool. You should just pull it out, use your both hands. You're gonna it's not gonna be that hard. You just pull it right out. So once you pull it right out, so you take the original knob, then put this one on, plug and play. Just make sure you match this little clip. They have a little hole over there. You just make sure this little clip goes into the hole to match it up. Yeah, overall, I'm pretty happy with my my purchase and decision. If you guys have any question, just let me know. Oh, I also got my from AJT as well. The key case looks pretty fancy. Yeah, I did a lot of modification during this pandemic. I got I installed a winch. I got a blind spot mural. I got a spotlight from Baja Design. I have new exhaust, new tire carrier. I got a whole bunch of modification. So guys, just more videos gonna coming up, so make sure you subscribe my channel. If you like the video, just hit the like. I'm just gonna do a review on my installation. If you guys have any question, just let me know. Thank you.